Alright guys, this is a 99 Jeep Cherokee Sport, and I just fixed a no start condition, and I go in with my Autel scan tool and I try to communicate with the instrument cluster and everything else on the CCD network communication bus, and I did not have communication with it. So I went on the CCD network, which is pins 3 and 11, and I just wanted to see what we had, and this operates a little bit different from the CAN bus network. So as you can see here, that's our waveform, and I'm just going to take one zoom out for you. Okay, and I'm going to take a zoom back in, and you can see we only have a differential of about 100 millivolts. This system has an instrument cluster that supplies the 2.5 volt bias, and there's also two terminating resistors used at 120 ohms apiece, similar to the CAN network. Now, how could we say that this 100 millivolt differential is okay? Well, let's do something different. This is how I'm hooked up right now. We're hooked up to chassis ground. So now we're hooked up to a differential input. I have channel 2 red going on 11, and we have our ground going to 3. So we're on the CCD negative and positive right now, and let's take a look at the waveform this time. Okay, we're at key on, engine off. We're going to zoom in. Now you can see we have a differential of about 240 volts. Now the key is off right now, but typically you want to see around 285 millivolts differential when we're hooked up to our leads in this fashion here. So with everything being said right here, we do have a good communication network, but the Autel is just not capable of communicating. Now, if this network was down, we wouldn't have our RPM signal reaching the powertrain control module, which we do in this case. So that tells you that this network is fine. It's just an issue with the Autel, and I almost went down the wrong path as far as chasing a ghost, but yeah, that's how this network pretty much functions. Very different from the CAN bus network, but similar in some ways.